If you take a look at this Instagram page, you'll see it has over 300,000 followers and more than 10 million views every month. This niche is perfect for starting a new channel or page on Instagram or TikTok. Just start. With this niche, you can make money in two ways. First, from video ads, and second, by linking your store to your profile, just like this creator does. Let's take a look at what's in their store. Here, you'll see they sell health products like natural oils and skincare items. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create videos like these, but first, let's watch one as an example. Check this out.
Did you know mixing honey and onion will boost your immune system by 200%? Mixing carrot and lemon will give you a flatter stomach and less bloating. Mixing ginger and honey will clear the lungs of mucus. Mixing turmeric and orange will protect you from chronic diseases. If nature don't make it, don't take it.
If you look closely, you'll see that this creator uses a style similar to Zach D films. He starts his videos with a "what would happen if you" scenario, and then introduces the steps. The main difference is in the editing. Zach D films uses pro-level 3D animations, but that's not a problem. With our simpler method, we can still generate millions of views. Trust the process, and let's get started. First, we need a prompt to brainstorm video ideas. We ask ChatGPT to suggest some scenarios like, what would happen if we ate honey for 30 days? Or, what would happen if we ate an apple every day for 15 days? We wait for ChatGPT to generate ideas, and as you can see, it suggests a lot of options. We copy one of these ideas, then move on to the second prompt to generate a description. We paste it into ChatGPT and ask it to write a concise paragraph for a 45-second video. Once ChatGPT writes it, we ask it to rewrite it as a single, polished paragraph, as you see here. Now that we have our script, it's time to turn it into a voiceover. We go to 11 Labs AI and select the perfect voice. I recommend using Adam's voice for this niche. We paste our script here, then click the Generate button. Once the voiceover is ready, we download it. For the video content, we have three options. The first is to create visuals using AI tools like Leonardo AI and Runway ML. We can start by going back to ChatGPT and asking it to generate some prompts to create images that match our script. Once we have these prompts, we open Leonardo AI. First, we select the cinematic Kino style, adjust the image count, and set the video aspect ratio to 9:16. Next, we choose Kino XL for high-quality results. Then we copy each prompt, paste it into the input box, and click Generate. We repeat this process for each prompt to create a full set of images. Once we finish, we download all the images and head over to Runway to turn them into a video. We select the tool, upload our images, and then choose each one. Next, we adjust the duration from 5 seconds to 3 seconds, then click Run. We repeat this process for all the images. Once we're done, we download the final video, just like you see here. This is the first method. For the second method, we go to YouTube and search for the name of the fruit, for example, and add no copyright videos to the search. Here, we can select some videos and download them to use, making sure they are free from copyright restrictions. You can search for videos like muscle animation, 3D human to use it in the videos. For the third method, we go to the Pexels website and search for the video we need. We can also adjust the aspect ratio to fit our format. For example, let's search for Kiwi videos. We select a few of them and download them. Don't forget to download some clips to illustrate the doctor part of the script and highlight the benefits. We can also use Pixabay, not only for videos, but also to find a background song. We select one and download it to use in the editing phase. Now that we've downloaded all the videos, we open CapCut and import the videos we generated, as well as the background music and voiceover. First, we add the voiceover, as you can see. Next, we start with the video of the fruit at the beginning. Then we add the other clips, making sure they're synchronized with the audio. For example, when the voiceover says what would happen to your body, we add a clip related to the human body, and for the doctor part, we add a video of a doctor. Repeat this process for each section, ideally switching videos every 3 to 4 seconds for a smooth flow. Once we complete this step, we adjust the video's aspect ratio to 9:16. Then, for each video clip, we make adjustments to remove any watermarks or zoom in as needed. After finishing this step, we add a vignette effect to all clips, as you can see. Next, we apply transitions, preferably left-right transitions, throughout the video for a smooth flow. Now, we move on to adding captions. Go to the text option, choose Auto Captions, and click Create. If the language isn't set to English, change it. Then, we wait for the captions to appear. Now, let's customize the captions. You can change the style, font, and colors to fit your brand. Next, we'll add text with the channel or brand name. I'll add Miko, for example. We adjust its duration to cover the entire video, change its color to gray, and reduce the opacity for a subtle effect. For the final step, we add background music and lower the volume slightly so it doesn't overpower the narrator's voice. Alright, let's check out the final result. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate all your support. Love you all. Bye.
If you eat a kiwi every day, what would happen to your body? A secret a doctor won't tell you until he dies. Kiwi is packed with vitamin C, more than oranges, and antioxidants that boost immunity, helping you fend off colds and infections. Plus, it's great for digestion thanks to its fiber and a natural enzyme called actinidin, which breaks down proteins and helps keep your gut healthy. Eating kiwi daily can also improve skin health, reduce blood pressure, and even aid sleep due to its high serotonin levels. Just one kiwi a day could transform your health in surprising ways.